The aviation exhibits at the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, Michigan, known as the Heroes of the Sky, offer an immersive journey through the history of flight. The exhibit begins with the faithful replica of the 1903 Wright Flyer, the pioneering aircraft that launched the age of powered flight. From there, visitors can explore a range of historic aircraft that trace aviation's evolution through the 20th century. Highlights include the 1925 Fokker trimotor, nicknamed Josephine Ford, used by Richard Byrd in his North Pole expedition, and the Ford 4ATB trimotor, which represented Henry Ford's bold venture into air travel. The Douglas DC-3, often credited with revolutionizing commercial aircraft, is also on display with a fully accessible cabin that lets you experience what flying was like in its heyday. Other rare aircraft include the Boeing 40B-2, one of Igor Sikorsky's earliest helicopters, the VS-300A, demonstrating innovations in vertical flight. The exhibit also includes smaller planes used in barnstorming shows, early air mail service, and attempts at personal aircraft like Ford's ill-fated Flyer. With recreated passenger cabins, ambient engine sounds, and interactive storytelling, the exhibit brings aviation history to life in a hands-on, unforgettable way. After we walk through this exhibit, we will walk through the Made in America Power exhibit. Made in America Power. This exhibit at the Henry Ford Museum of American Innovation in Dearborn, Michigan, is a monumental tribute to the engines and innovations that fueled the industrial age. It brings together some of the world's most influential power-generating machines and places them in a dramatic, immersive setting that traces the evolution of energy, from the earliest steam engines to the colossal gas-powered generators that drove America's manufacturing boom. The journey begins with some of the earliest examples of industrial steam power, including the Newcomen engine from the mid-1700s, widely regarded as one of the oldest surviving steam engines in the world. This massive piece of machinery once pumped water from coal mines in England and laid the foundation for all mechanical power to follow. Not far from it stands the rotative steam engine developed by James Watt and Matthew Boulton around 1788, which introduced the concept of circular motion, a breakthrough that allowed machines to run continuously and with more versatility. As we move through this exhibit, you'll see the rise of mechanical precision and the birth of true industrial manufacturing. One standout is the mulled slate production lathe, an early 19th century innovation that allowed machinists to cut parts to exact specifications, revolutionizing mass production. This lathe was capable of machining components to tolerances within 1/1000th of an inch, laying the groundwork for the precise engineering behind modern engines, tools, and factories. At the heart of the exhibit are the engines that powered the Ford Highland Park plant in the early 20th century. These massive, hybrid steam and gas engines, so large they were installed before the museum walls were built around them, generated the electricity that powered Ford's legendary assembly lines. They represent the sheer scale and ambition of American manufacturing in its prime. Visitors can marvel at their towering flywheels and crankshafts, still poised as if ready to spring to life. Beyond these industrial giants, the exhibit also includes fascinating personal and historical artifacts, such as Thomas Edison's early dynamos, including one used aboard the SS Columbia, the first passenger ship powered by electricity. One of the most curious items is a small sealed glass vial said to contain Edison's last breath, a symbolic memento of innovation's legacy and mythos. Made in America Power isn't just a display of engines, it's a story about how America harnessed natural forces to build cities, empower factories, and forever change how we live and work. The exhibit is both educational and awe-inspiring, combining monumental machinery with compelling narratives. It's a must-see for anyone interested in the mechanical roots of modern civilization and a vivid reminder of the power of innovation.